Hey there, Mix here. This quick video tutorial will show you how to apply resin over a paper napkin so you end up with a stunning effect that can be used in craft projects like this faux stained glass hearts. Make sure to separate the napkin layers before you start. You only need that top printed one. If you use a template, I would suggest popping it inside a Ziploc bag so the resin doesn't mess it up or get stuck. Lay the napkin over the bag and just tape it down at the edges. And then using the template as a guide and working in sections, drizzle the UV resin on the napkin and spread it out with a wooden craft stick or a toothpick. Not your fingers, not a good idea. Try not to leave any gaps and smush the resin all the way to the edges of the design. You can always add more if you need to. Here, the resin covered napkin under UV light for the recommended time. They're all different, so just check on your packaging. I did mine for about 2 minutes, if I remember correctly. But you know it's ready once it's hard to the touch. And then you can simply peel it away from the plastic bag. The resin turns the napkin into this glassy slither of transparent gorgeousness, which you can use in all kinds of things like mosaics or if you add hot glue around the edges, it looks like stained glass. There's just so many possibilities. Anyway, hope you guys have fun with this one.